Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states, whoever goes out in Allah's way, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu gives him a guarantee. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, nothing but jihad in my cause and faith in me and belief in my apostles cause him to go out. I guarantee to admit him to paradise if he gets martyred, or return him with reward or booty which he has acquired to his dwelling, wherefrom he came out, by him in whose possession Muhammad's soul stays. Whoever gets wounded in Allah's way will come on the resurrection day be in the same condition as he was when he received the wound. The blood will have the color of blood, whereas its fragrance will be of musk. By him in whose possession Muhammad's soul stays, if it had not been bothersome for the Muslim, I would never have stayed behind after any detachment which fights in Allah's way. But I cannot afford to supply all the Muslims with mounts to ride on, nor can the Muslims afford it, and the Muslims staying behind after me will be hard for them. By him in whose possession Muhammad's soul is, I aspire that I should fight in Allah's way and be slain. Then fight and be slain. Then fight and be slain. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 4836.